Good morning, everyone. So, today I am here to present a topic interaction between PM Modi and Bill Gates. So, myself, Raj Sharma, and I am going to start the topic with introducing both of them. So, let's start. So, the Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India, and Bill Gates is a software developer of Magnet and co-founder of Microsoft. So, the first thing which was raised in the topic was the G20 revolution and the positive result that India has made in the Indonesian G20 summit. So, at the beginning of the interaction, the first question asked by PM Modi by Bill Gates, software developer, so which was, how did India digitalized revolution? So Modi ji said that we have democratized everything and it should be used by an common people, and the technology should known by common people, and also said that if any new revolution or new things are came in India, so it is firstly accepted by women like this. So the second question about how did he is excited about the advancement and advantages. So he said about health, education and agriculture. In health, he built 2 lakh Arogya Mandir healthcare center in which doctors are far away from their home and help them in diagnosis, giving them remedies, medicines, treating them or helping them providing facilities. So this was the first part of the interaction. So the second part which comes of the AI. So you are wondering about how they are talking very easily. Even if the Bill Gates don't know Hindi and Modi ji don't know that much English, but yes, he know that much that he could understand. So they have used a technology named real-time machine translating tool. This is just like a tool in which, for example, I am saying in Hindi and you want to listen in English, you can press the button and the AI tool automatically recognize the language and change into the listener's voice during the conversation. So it can be easier. So this type of the thing or the project is used by PM Modi. So about the healthcare and facilities, Modi ji built has many things and also said that millets, which is a superfood, he explained about how it is useful, how it is working, and very useful things. So the next and new employment opportunity is also given by our Prime Minister Modi, which is the Namo Drone Didi. He want to make a psychological change in everybody villagers minds, that a small girl of a village can also become an pilot of a drone. So he said that the employment opportunities, when he take feedbacks from the Namo Drone Didi pilot, so he listens a feedback like they doesn't even fly a drone, doesn't even drive a car or even a cycle, then also they are now a pilot. So this is a wonderful opportunities for those women, and he want to make 3 crore women from unprivileged home to Lakpati Didis. And the next topic was how and why Modi ji are taking AI as a tool for interesting things. So Modi ji explained by an example giving of G20 that how he has used the AI things or AI gadget in the G20 campus. So he said that he has used AI in every corner and even in single place of the G20 campus. So the taxi drivers have a app in which if the guest or the any person came from G20 campus, he is saying in French, the driver listen in their own mother tongue voice by using this app. So after this, Modi ji showed his Namo app, which was very useful for peoples like our Prime Minister Modi. Then he said Bill Gates to click a selfie in it. He take a selfie and photos of Prime Minister Modi and Bill Gates since 20 years showed in that app since 20 years. And 1/10 part, even if the Prime Minister and Bill Gates have 1/10 part photo, it would also show from various websites, apps, Google and etc. places. So after this, PM Modi and our Bill Gates go to the a garden type of thing, and then Bill Gates asked that if this AI tool can be dangerous. Then Modi ji said that yes, it can be dangerous, but even if we use this as a purpose for making our success, not for reducing our laziness, then it would be helpful thing. Like example of chat gpt, Modi ji, if something that he doesn't knows, then he would like to search in that chat gpt and want to take the answer, and also translating his speech, etc. For example, Modi ji has done an speech in Tamil Nadu where he is speaking in Hindi and the listeners were listening in English or their own language. So, uh, the Bill Gates asked a question: if this tool can be dangerous, what the do's and don'ts should be there? So, our Prime Minister said that if this tool can be dangerous, it should not be used as a magic tool first. And the second thing that our Modi ji said is about the AI visuals in deep fakes in vast country like India, which is democratized, and it should not be used and done. So Modi ji has said that it should be established some do's and don'ts related to this chat GPT and various other platforms which generates visuals. And he also established an permanent and fixed thing which is uh, watermark or text below the image, that it should not be known be like if this image is generated from AI or is real. And deepfakes means if something is said by some people and it is generated by AI without saying that guy, it is known as deepfake. So Modi ji said how he is interested about investing or making new things in India. Then Bill Gates said, we are celebrating 25th year of Microsoft and India, and he is very happy that his workers or his team members are doing really great and day by day making these things better, and said that AI is an and said that AI is an co-pilot thing, not an individual that he should. Modi ji give example of if I want to listen a song, I will say ChatGPT that play this song. So this not be great thing. So even if after this, Bill Gates asked a question to our Prime Minister that how he is using renewable energy. So he explained about wind energy, solar energy, and he also explained about a thing which is Kashi boat from Kashi to Ayodhya, which is running on hydrogen. This is really amazing thing or not? So this runs on hydrogen. In also it is an good thing for Ganga, cleaning Ganga or providing and facilities to the tourists to go in and travel and take experience of the hydrogen boat. And Modi ji said about the Statue of Unity, how he made the Statue of Unity. He take a single tool of metal from every farmer of India and used soil from 6 lakh villages of India and make the Statue of Unity. So at the ending, they shake the hand and thank you. And this speech was recorded by Business Standard, which is an interaction or app, interview taking channel. So thank you for seeing this video till now. Thank you.